Hi everybody, it's Miss Maya here, and today we're going to be making a smoothie. We're going to include bananas, peaches, frozen mango, a little bit of spinach, oat milk, and a little honey just to sweeten it up a little bit. I know you guys are probably thinking, ugh, spinach, but I promise it's super nutritious and you can't even taste it at all. So let's get started cutting up the banana and peaches. Okay, so now that everything is all cut up, I'm going to start adding it to our blending bowl. So we have the bananas that I just sliced up. We have the peach that I cut up. I just cut it into little slices as well. The frozen mango. And then the spinach. Now I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of honey. And add in some oat milk just so that everything can blend together a little bit easier. If you don't have oat milk, you can use regular milk or soy milk or whatever type of milk you like. All right, so now I'm gonna add the lid and let's get to blending. Okay, so everything is all blended up. Let's give it a little pour. I think something that's really interesting is that the green of the spinach really took over the color. I think it's a pretty color. And let's give it a try. It's really good. You can taste the fruitiness of the banana and the mango and the peach. And it's also creamy because of the oat milk. So yeah, I hope that you guys give it a try. And you can always reach me at this email if you wanna send me any recipe ideas. Have a good day.